What's up, guys? Got a new one for you. This is that low mileage replacement. Listen to what it's doing. There you guys go. I think we're pulling it, replacing it with another one. I already got a hold of the wrecking yard. Well, guys, looks like we're going to be taking the motor out. We got a bad used one. Made it about 50 miles and it started a top end tick. Now between 1500 and 1800, it does not sound happy. I'm starting to get metal shavings in the oil. I'm assuming this is either a wrist pin failure or the dreaded bearing failure that these have, which doesn't make sense. This motor supposedly had 65,000 miles on it. But I'll do videos again. The wrecking yard is trying to locate me another motor, and I'm working with them to see if they can cover the cost of what I'm already in this, as in materials like the water pump, coolant, oil, and a few gaskets that I already had to buy. So let's see what they tell me tomorrow. All right, guys. Well, guys, seems I'm doing this again in about an hour and 45 minutes to 2 hours. I've got almost all the way torn back down. Still got the accessories to drop off: power steering, alternator, AC pump. Sorry about the noise in the background. Got to drop off the exhaust manifold. I'm going to take out the O2 sensor. And then comes the fun part again. Getting all the bolts out of the torque converter. Disconnecting the motor mount over here. And out she'll come again. Alright, guys.